So presently we've got the app loaded. We're going to click on a 3-axle trailer. And then we're just going to change it to put the fleet number in of 1, 2, 3, 4 as an example. We've got 3 axles, or single tyres, and then I'm going to hit this button to connect to the scanner. And I'm just waiting now for a vibration, which I've got, so we know that this is now connecting, and we're ready to go on the first tyre. And then in the top right we can see we're starting on the offside front. So I'm now going to scan the first tyre. So using the arrow on the side we know where to start. So we roll it in a nice fashion, constant speed across the tyre, feel it vibrate, and a moment later we've got an image of the tyre. The power button to move on, and then we go to the next tyre. So we can see on this tread here we've got quite a bit of dried mud, but that doesn't affect the actual scan of the tyre and the grooves we're measuring. And then just as an example as well, we can see we've got quite a few stones in this tyre. But just to demonstrate, because we're measuring around 50mm contact patch, we can analyse that and say that is bad data. So this is the stone in the tread there. We're looking at the data either side and saying that's an anomaly. This is the actual tread depth. So I'll stop talking and I'll whiz around doing the rest of the tyres. And that one, whiz round. So we've now completed all 6 tyres. Press the button to move to our final layout. And there we have it, the scan's already done. Press upload, and it's now on its way to the Tread Manager reporting suite.